Now we look at few sentences where the verb consists of more than one word. So in the adverb of time, when there are more than one verb, then it is placed after the first word. That's what we're just going to look at few sentences. If the verb consists of more than one word, if the verb consists of more than one word, the adverb of time, are placed, after the first word, are placed after the first word. The first word. That's what we're going to look at, okay? Let's examine the sentences we have. The first one is, my uncle has just gone out. He has almost finished his work. Almost finished his work. Sita has already finished her exercise. Next we have, they have also visited London. I need hardly say that he did well. I need hardly say that he did well. They will soon be here. They will soon be here. They are still waiting for her. They are still waiting for her. Let us examine these 7 sentences. If the verb consists of more than one word, we're going to look at all the verbs here. more than one word, the adverb of time are placed after the first word. Let's write it. Which is the first word? My uncle. So you have more than one word, the verb has, just. So this is the verb. So my uncle has just gone out. Now, he has almost. So what's happening here is adverbs of time will have two, not just, because there are two verbs here. Now, has just, has almost, together adverb of time. So in these sentences, we have two verbs, this adverb of time, two words together go, okay. My uncle has just gone out. My uncle has gone out, has just. Here, he has almost finished. And here, see the has already finished her exercise, has already. And then here, they have also visited London, have also. Then in the next one, I need hardly say that he did well. I need hardly say that he did well. They will soon be here, will soon be here. Then they are still waiting, are still waiting, are still. Now, look at the adverb of time, just, almost, already, also, hardly, soon, still. It has more than one. So, look at that, my uncle has just, has almost, has already, have also, need hardly say, will soon, are still. We are looking at the verb consists of more than one word. Then the adverb of time are placed after the first word. So, uncle, he, Sita, they, I. You find adverbs of time are placed immediately after the first word. My uncle, he, Sita, they, I, they. So, in this case, adverb of time, when the verb consists of more than one word, it is placed just after the first word. And that's what we are looking at.